Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll get a blueprint to making $100 per day on YouTube with affiliate marketing. I promise you, if a shy girl from Iowa can do this and make $11,000 in sales in one day and 4 figures on autopilot, I promise you, you can do this too. So what are you gonna do with this $100 per day? Are you gonna pay off some bills, go buy some clothes, pay for your child's college, or just put some money away into savings? Either way, I'm excited to share this information with you. If you're excited, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below affiliate marketing. But make sure you stick around until the end because I'm going to give you 2 strategies that will really increase your views and sales. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, the first thing you want to do, of course, is to pick a niche. Most profitable niches, again, are wealth, health, and relationships. An example of some keywords for wealth are make money online, make money on YouTube. Those are some that I use. Some other ideas are things that you're interested in, like photography, crafts. You can also do a review channel. I've made tens of thousands of dollars on my review videos on my YouTube channel, but you could have a channel just dedicated to reviews. An example of that is Aaron Chen. This is just one of his review channels. And a lot of people ask me, do you have to purchase the product? No, you don't have to. And this is a great example of someone who never purchases the product, but he does an excellent review on it. So you can take a look at his channel and kind of model after what he's doing. And again, you don't have to show your face on a YouTube channel. I think that's what a lot of people are worried about. You could do just a screen capture like I'm doing right here and never have to show your face. An example of a health channel, I wanted to shout out my friend Ashley. She started this YouTube channel called Health Ninjas. Go ahead and check it out. She's doing an excellent job. She doesn't even have any voiceover on her videos, so she just takes stock video footage and does a script, and then the writing is on the video. And you can see if we go to her channel here that she is actually promoting a ClickBank product. That's right here, how to lose weight. So she actually has made some sales through ClickBank, and she only has 23 subscribers. So you can see this method absolutely does work. And another channel I want to share with you is about crafts. I wanted to shout out this channel, and they are in our YouTube mastermind group. I told her I was watching her videos, and I don't even like crafts, but I couldn't stop watching it. They're so good. Just watching someone create something, there's something about that catches people's attention, keeps their attention. Another idea for you. So again, you don't ever have to show your face. Now this person does not have anything yet in their description, which I think they're missing out on some sales, because I think you could go to Amazon and find some products that would relate to crafts. So for example, if you signed up to be an Amazon affiliate, so you can come into Amazon and type in, for example, craft book for adults, and that could be something that you would list in the description of your video if you're doing a channel on crafts. So if we scroll down here, you can see maybe you would want to have this, Martha Stewart's Encyclopedia of Crafts, $35, you can make 4% of that. So there's a lot of different craft books in here that you might list in the description of your video if you do have a craft channel. Okay, second thing you want to do is sign up for an affiliate network. And of course, that would be Amazon Affiliate Program, Digistore24, and ClickBank. These are completely free to sign up for. And then you'll find some affiliate products that you can promote that relate to what it is that your channel is about or what your videos are about. Number 3, you want to find out what people are already searching for in your niche. I think that this is one of the biggest problems besides nailing what your niche is about. And by the way, my mentor just created a very small mini course about nailing your niche. If you're interested in that, contact me on Facebook. I have my contact information in the description below this video. But basically, if you don't get that right, then you're not going to make that much money. But you also want to get this right in deciding what kind of content that you want to post on your channel. Not just what you think people want, but what they're actually searching for. So you want to go to other channels in your niche and find the most popular videos and create a video similar to that. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. So if you, for example, have a craft channel, you could just go and search crafts here, and then you go by this filter. You'll click on channel, and you'll see all the channels that are related to crafts. Of course, 5 Minute Crafts is a very popular channel. You could model after that. 69.9 million subscribers. But let's scroll down. You want to find channels that do have a lot of subscribers because those are going to be more popular videos. So let's click on this person's channel here. Let's say again you are going to start a channel about crafts. We would click on videos, and I would look the last 3 weeks, the videos that have gotten the most views. So you can see right here, this video, paper DIY miniature school supplies, really works. That got 23,000 views in a month. So that would be a great video to do. Also, you can go to their most popular videos and see the ones that have gotten the most views. And interestingly enough, the other one they did on miniature school supplies has gotten 64 million views in 2 years. So that would be another great one to do a video about. And it looks like those are the two most popular on her channel. So that's how you're going to get some really great ideas. You want to come up with at least 30 ideas before you actually start your YouTube channel, because ideally you would want to make these videos first and then start to post them on your channel so you have a backlog of a lot of videos so you can post very regularly. I wanted to share with you a tool that's completely free. It's called Asana, asana.com. And I use this to organize all my YouTube videos because before I used this, I was all over the place emailing myself things and then it would get lost. But you have everything all here in one place that you can store your ideas for your videos. If we go to my main YouTube channel, you can create these templates and have everything that you want in one place. For example, we'll go over this one right here. You can have your script there. You can have all the videos that you're going to be modeling after listed in here, your thumbnail, everything, your description, your keywords, and then when you go to post your video, you'll have all that in one place, and it'll be something that you can refer back to as well. And then you can store it all on a calendar. Here you can see the ones that I'm going to be posting this next week, and just have your whole month planned out of all your different videos and everything that you need to do. So Asana, really great tool to keep you organized. Okay, number 4 is you're actually going to create the YouTube channel. Of course, you want to have good channel art. You can use Screencast-O-Matic or Camtasia to actually create the content if you want something that's free. Another great one is Loom, Loom.com, and that will create great videos for you. You can do all the editing there. You want to make sure you do have a call to action in your video to a link in the description. And you may think, oh, I don't know that much about whatever topic, but the more you research it, the more you learn, the more you're going to know about it. So you use this method, learn, do, teach. And that's exactly what I did when I started. I felt like I didn't know anything, but the more I did, the more I learned, the more people would learn from me. And you're just like one step ahead of someone who doesn't know as much as you do. So don't feel like you can't do this, because you absolutely can do it. Number 5 is you would SEO optimize your video. You're going to put the main keyword at the beginning of the title, also 3 to 4 times in the description, and then put the keywords in your tags. And I would say use the same keywords in every video on your channel. Let me show you how you can find the tags of other videos that you're going to be modeling after. So for example, if we're going to model after this video here, you can install what's called vidIQ. It's a free Google Chrome extension, and that will show you the tags that these channels are using. So if we just scroll down here on the right hand side, you can see right here, these are the tags that they're using for this particular video. Unicorn school supplies, mini school supplies. Apparently that must be a great keyword. So just click on copy tags. Those are some of the tags that you can use in your video. Number 6 is to syndicate, because you want as many people as possible, obviously, to see your video. Social media networks below the video is the first thing that I do. So for example, if you want to share to the social media sites, you will go below your video after you publish it and just click on share, and you can see all the different social network sites here. Of course, you'll have to sign up for these ahead of time, but there's quite a few, and I've had people find me through Reddit and actually purchase through Reddit because they found my YouTube video. Now, this creating a post that's if you have 10,000 subscribers, then you can create a community post. The other thing you want to do is email your list, because as you're building your email list, when people continue to see your videos, they'll start to know, like, and trust you, because video is the best way, I think, to get your point across. They'll start to know, like, and trust you. So an example of a email that I send out to my list. Here's an example of one that I would send out. I just created this YouTube video, $250 per day on YouTube without showing your face, proven method. And then I would send out an email linking to the video, having the thumbnail here that they can click on that, and that'll take them to the video. This will take them to the video as well. And so that's just a great way that you can get more views on your videos. You can also put that on a blog post. If you don't have a blog post, you could do something like blogger.com. That's completely free. I have a WordPress blog, and basically what I've done after every single video that I've created is I just go ahead and post it on my blog. So this is just another way that you can get the content out there. Okay, this is super powerful. Create a TikTok video with a few points of what you were talking about in your video and direct people back to your YouTube channel. Some tips for you if you're just getting started and you don't have an affiliate program to promote, and if you're in the make money online niche, I would say promote Tube Mastery and Monetization in Digistore 24. So if you log into Digistore 24, again, this is completely free to sign up for, click on Marketplace, just scroll down here, and you'll see Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. This is an excellent course. I have it, and his webinar is excellent. It converts very well, but you can see that the product is $997 and you're going to get 50% commissions on that. So it's a really good product to promote. Also, you can switch out your link by using ClickMagick. You can also use Bitly to shorten the link, but let me show you what I'm talking about with ClickMagick. So if we go to one of my YouTube videos here, this one here, my #1 recommendation, I can change that out anytime I want by going to ClickMagick. I just changed the URL that it's going to. So this is like a domain name inside of ClickMagick. So that way I have over 900 videos. I don't have to go to all of my videos and change out the link to my #1 recommendation. I just change the link inside of ClickMagick. So that's a really great tip for you. You may want to change out what it is that you're promoting and see what converts the best. Again, make sure you have a call to action somewhere inside your video, and I would say it shouldn't be right at the beginning, but maybe after 2, 3, 4 minutes where you're giving a lot of value, and then you can say, oh, by the way, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation, click below, or if you want to learn more about crafts, click the first link in the description below the video, or whatever that you're directing people to, but make sure you have a call to action to it. I wouldn't wait until the very end, because again, a lot of people don't watch until the end, or you may want to have it at like 3 or 4 minutes and then also at the end. The other thing is that you want to have your affiliate link above the fold. I see a lot of people don't do this. Let me show you what I mean by this. So if we go to my video here and someone watches it and then they scroll down, you don't want someone to have to click on show more. Okay, you should have it right here, what's called above the fold, because a lot of people will not click on show more. So I see a lot of people that have their affiliate link way down in the description somewhere. So maybe it's down here and they have to click on show more. So definitely have it above the fold, because you'll get a lot more people to click on it and a lot more sales that way. So I see a lot of people coming in and they're just really desperate to make money, which is fine, but desperation doesn't get you very far. You want to work on creating value, and people will start to know, like, and trust you. I promise you. I'm still amazed at the people that find me through YouTube and the amount of money that I make just from people finding me on YouTube. They like me. They say, I've watched a lot of videos, but I really like you. And everyone has something different to offer. So don't think that you can't do this, because you absolutely can. The more content you create, the better you get. There's just no way that you cannot get better if you are consistent. That's my other point. Be consistent. Pick some sort of schedule. Like if you want to do maybe twice a week to start out with. There was a time where I did 1 video a day for over a year. I wouldn't recommend that, but at least once a week, do a video and be very consistent no matter what. Know that this will eventually get you to where you want to get, but there's a process that you have to go through. It's not overnight, but it absolutely does work. It's worked for me, it's worked for a lot of my friends, and a lot of my friends are making a full-time income through YouTube. Okay, last point is how to drive more traffic to your channel. two things. YouTube Shorts, this is a new thing on YouTube, and I've seen people get amazing amount of subscribers and views through their YouTube Shorts. This is just a 60-second video. I did a video just about YouTube Shorts and how to blow up your revenue and channel with YouTube Shorts. So I will post this in the description below the video. You can check that out, but I would definitely consider doing YouTube Shorts. And the other thing that I resisted for the longest time is TikTok. I'm actually going to get started on that right now because I have seen so many people absolutely blow up their YouTube channel and their sales through TikTok. Basically driving traffic back from TikTok to your YouTube channel. And it doesn't have to be you dancing around. There's an actual strategy to it. You want to do a few points in your main video that you just created. So after you create it, then you go create a TikTok video pointing back to your YouTube channel. You go to TikTok, you put in hashtags about different keywords that are in your niche. It's very similar on TikTok to YouTube on how to create success, and you're just going to model after people in your niche that are getting results and create a video similar to what they did. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. It's not difficult to do. And again, I'm going to be starting on it, so I'll be sharing some things with you along the way. But definitely do YouTube Shorts and TikTok to be able to drive more traffic to your channel and make more sales with your affiliate offers and get to that $100 per day on YouTube with affiliate marketing. So I hope you go out there and take this information and make some really good money on YouTube, because I know it can be life-changing, as it has been for me and a lot of my friends. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up, how to make big money online as a broke beginner, go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.